Your financial model doesn't fail in Excel, it fails in the assumptions. Assumptions equals foundation. Get them wrong, and the whole model falls apart. Realistic financial models are the key drivers for startup success. Too many founders guess their way through models. The result? Missed opportunities and financial setbacks. Assumptions shape hiring, fundraising, and cash runway. Small errors equals big consequences. Bad assumptions equals unrealistic forecasts. Good assumptions equals models investors can trust. Sleep at night knowing your financial model won't break. Solid assumptions equals stronger valuations. Clarity for investors, confidence for you. Don't just model the numbers, model reality. Talk to us at www.finvisor.com.